Hey, guess what, Stewie? I've just written 9,000 variables for all the data in my code. My professor is going to have his mind blown.
I'm not sure that's a good idea, Chris. How are you going to reference all those values?
You had time to write 9,000 variables, Chris? Do you not know about the uses of arrays?
Well, yeah, but I'm not sure how to use them effectively, Dad.
Arrays allow you to store multiple values in a single organized structure. This is much more efficient than using separate variables for each value, especially when dealing with large data sets.
But what's the benefit, Dad? Wouldn't my way work as well?
Chris, do you really want to try and remember so many variable names? Arrays provide easy access to elements using indices. This means you can quickly retrieve or modify any element by its position in the array.
Oh, cool. I better do my research.
Yes, that would be a good idea, Chris. Arrays are also fixed in memory, whereas individual variables will be more scattered.
Also, what are you going to do if you need to change all your values at once?
How would that work, Dad?
With arrays, we can loop over every index in the array like so. This helps us a lot when changing the values.
Sounds great. Are there any disadvantages to using arrays?
Yes, Stewie! Arrays in Java are fixed in size. You will need to know the number of elements in advance, which can be limiting if the data size is constantly changing. Python arrays can be changed, but these are actually lists, which are slightly different. It can also be difficult to insert and delete elements from an array without creating a whole new array in memory. You want to keep your memory in mind when allocating arrays in Java, as well as you may waste memory if you allocate an array that is too large.
Thanks, Dad. I'm gonna go study for my exam tomorrow.